you don't get to be skeptical about this one.
Mhm.
You can bury your head in the sand and pretend that AI agents are not going to have an impact on the workplace, but I think that is a very poor career decision and business decision. So the way I'm
Mhm.
framing it is AI agents are happening. They're underhyped. This is my hot take. AI agents are way underhyped right now. Like the world as a whole does not understand how much work is going to change once we get better at creating and adapting these things. And
Mhm.
so it is a foundational skill that you know how to create and work with AI agents, just like it was a foundational skill for the last 40 years to know Microsoft Excel. You could not get any sort of job doing any knowledge work if you were not basically functional in Excel. You couldn't be a
Mhm.
marketer, doing content calendars. You couldn't be a salesperson creating a spreadsheet of leads. You couldn't run a cupcake bakery managing your inventory. Like Excel was a foundational skill for the last 40 years of work. Creating
Mhm.
AI agents that work for you will be a foundational skill for the next however many years of work. And so that's what I want to communicate. And then I want to build a bunch of educational resources that make that feel less scary and more like a
Mhm.
fun opportunity to learn.
Yeah, I mean, strong agree. I have AI agents and prompts and meta prompts that I use that run my business, and I feel like Superman sometimes, or Iron Man, where
Yeah.
like the things that I'm able to do are incredible compared to, I can do the other day. I got off a client call and I took the transcript and I fired it into one of my meta prompts, and then I pushed that into another system I have. I used Windsurf on my
Yeah.
side, and I've got all my content. I got all my, and it wrote a full SDR sales playbook in like a
Yeah.
minute. And I'm like, I've done this and it takes 3 months to
Yeah.
do and customize all the different things and the pieces. And it's crazy, ugly, tedious work. And all that tedium was gone. And it was like, I spent a lot of time on a really good prompt and I can reuse that. I'm like, the pace
So
just accelerates.